Sia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make the best cookie dough energy balls. These cookie dough energy balls are one of my favorite summer snacks and I'm sure you'll love them too. They only require a few ingredients, are well balanced and are really easy to make. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start off by adding 2 teaspoons of peanut butter. The peanut butter will make it nice and will help it stick together. Next, add 1 teaspoon of honey. If you're vegan, you can use maple syrup, that's totally fine, that tastes great too. 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Here with me, I've got some super seed mix and I'm going to use 1 heaped teaspoon of that. This will make it more filling and will also give us some more protein. So if you don't have this seed mix, then you can just add your favorite seeds. Some examples are chia seeds, hemp seeds, and many more seeds. So yeah, just add some seeds because they are great in protein. I will make it more filling. So now give this a mix. Just like that. Just make sure the peanut butter is getting well mixed with the cocoa powder. Half a cup of oats. Now I'm using porridge oats, but you can use rolled oats, but I just prefer porridge oats because they're cut more finely and when in balls are much easier to bite. So just give this a nice mix. After around 1 minute of mixing, your energy balls should look like this. So it's still quite dry, but this is the perfect consistency. Next you're going to add a splash of almond milk and just give it a mix. It's a good texture, not too hard, not too soft, and also not too dry. Now to make it cookie dough, of course we need to add some chocolate. Now this is up to you what type of chocolate you want to use, just make sure it's chocolate chips. But to make it a change for myself, I'm going to use some white chocolate chips, although dark chocolate chips are great and I absolutely love them. Just add a few, and then just give it a mix. Now it should look like this. Grab yourself a thin plate and you're going to take around a teaspoon size amount of this cookie dough energy balls, and then you're just going to make some bite-sized balls. Now pop these in the fridge for around 15 to 25 minutes. Alright, so now they are out of the fridge and I'm going to put them in this nice little ramekin. These are so tasty and I really recommend you guys to make them. So if you did enjoy this video and you would like to see more recipes from me, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye!